How to convert a Google Doc to Microsoft Word. Open any browser of your choice. Click on the search bar that you can see at top. Type in docs.google.com. Press enter. Google Docs will be opened. You can see your recent documents over here. Click on the document that you would like to convert to Microsoft Word. Now that particular document will be opened. Make the necessary changes to the document if you want. Once it is final, click on the option for File. Click on the option Download. Click on the option for Microsoft Word. Wait for a while and the download will be started. You can see over here the document has been downloaded. Click on the Open icon. Once you do that, it will be opened in Microsoft Word. Like this, you can convert Google Doc to Microsoft Word. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.